Nassr vs Abha score, highlights as misfiring Cristiano Ronaldo rages at referee in King Cup win. Cristiano Ronaldo was booked after raging at the referee, accused of diving and substituted as Al Nassr cruised into the semifinals of the King Cup with the help of the fastest goal in the history of the competition. Five-time Ballon d'Or winner Ronaldo's misfiring performance mattered little as first-half goals by Sami Al-Nassr and Abdullah Al-Khaibari and an opportunistic strike from Mohamed Marin 3 minutes after the break gave Al Nassr a 3-1 victory over Abha. Named as captain, Ronaldo was incensed by a decision to blow the halftime whistle when Al Nassr were about to break forward, earning a yellow card for drop-kicking the ball half the length of the pitch in response. Goals: Al Nassr, Sami Al-Nassr 1. Al Nassr, Abdullah Al-Khaibari 21. Al Nassr, Mohamed Marin 48. Abha, Abdelfattah Adam 69. The former Manchester United striker appeared angry as the teams made their way off the pitch for the interval and looked unimpressed again when he was replaced shortly before full-time, having repeatedly made his displeasure with the officiating clear. Al-Nassr's strike, finishing a move that began with a Ronaldo back heel from kickoff, took around 10 seconds in a lightning-fast start by Al Nassr following their defeat to Saudi Pro League leaders Al Ittihad on Thursday. Al-Khaibari produced a clinical first-time finish from a cross to double the lead, with Abha's hopes of a comeback all but extinguished when Marin capitalized on poor goalkeeping to score a third from a tight angle. Abha pulled a goal back when former Saudi Arabia international Abdelfattah Adam, who is on loan from Al Nassr, fired in after home goalkeeper Nawaf Al-Akadi parried Saad Al-Salouli's shot to his feet. Al Nassr will now be optimistic of winning the King Cup for the first time since 1990, which would earn the 6-time winners a place in the 2023-24 Asian Champions League group stage. Ronaldo antics animate tie. A seemingly routine cup contest for Al Nassr became surprisingly spicy on the stroke of halftime as part of an eventful afternoon for star signing Ronaldo. The timing of the first half ending was not one the boisterous home fans would have enjoyed just as their team set off on a promising attack, but it hardly seemed to merit the meltdown from Ronaldo that led to his caution, nor the decision by his head coach, Rudy Garcia, to approach the referee. There was even a risk Ronaldo could have been dismissed during the second period, first for gesturing at the official and shouting after a teammate had been fouled, then for an apparent dive when he hurtled theatrically to the floor over the outstretched leg of Abha's Fahad Al-Jamaya. The object of Ronaldo's halftime ire immediately booked Al-Jamaya for the challenge, but replays justified protests by the midfielder and his teammates that no contact had been made. Ronaldo also drilled free kicks into the wall from dangerous shooting positions in either half and headed a chance high and wide as the all-time leading men's international scorer went a third game running without a goal for his new club. Having been replaced by Al Nassr's 13-goal top scorer Talisca with around 3 minutes to play, Ronaldo looked frustrated but did exchange handshakes with his teammates and coaching staff. Adam found the accuracy that had deserted Ronaldo after coming on during the second half, only being denied a near-instant goal with a header that was well saved by the diving Al-Akadi. Fellow substitute Ali Al-Hassan was also thwarted by an excellent stop, seeing his rising drive from distance tipped onto the crossbar by Abha goalkeeper Davies Episi. Abha almost equalized a minute after Al Nassr's opener when Salah Al-Omri saw Alvaro Gonzalez clear his shot off the line, but the visitors clearly missed striker Felipe Caicedo, who was prolific for Ecuador during his international career. The 12th-placed side in the Saudi top flight have an immediate shot at revenge when they visit Al Nassr again on Saturday. The Sporting News followed the match live and provided live score updates and commentary. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to click the subscribed button and hit the bell icon for more.